Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought another cookies recipe, Semolina's coconut cookies. It is a very tasty recipe. Also, it is a very easy to make at your kitchen, and takes less time and less ingredients to make this. Also, everyone like these cookies so much. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's go. For making these cookies, first I take semolina. I take here 250 gram semolina. After that I take milk. I take here 100 ml milk. Then I take coconut. I take half coconut and chopped it. Then I take sugar. I blend the sugar like a dust sugar. After that I take 100 gram butter. Now I will give the butter to a bowl for making the batter of the cookies. Now I beat the butter like this. You can see how to smash it. Like this you have to smash the butter for 1 to 2 minutes. You can see I beat the butter very nicely. You can see it looks very fluffy. Now I give the dust sugar to it. I give the whole amount of sugar. Now I mix the butter and sugar very nicely for 1 to 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes you can see the mixture look like this whitish color. You think that our mixture is ready. Now I give the semolina into it. Now I mix the semolina with the butter and sugar very nicely. You can see how to mix it. You can see I mix the semolina with the butter and sugar very nicely. You can see it. Now I give the chopped coconut into it. After giving the coconut, I mix the coconut with this mixture very nicely. After mixing the coconut with this mixture, now I give the baking powder into it. You can see how much amount of baking powder I give it. Now I mix this baking powder with the mixture very nicely. After mixing all the ingredients with this mixture, now I give the milk into it. Now I give little amount of milk, you can see. Now I mix this milk with this mixture very nicely. You can see I mix all the ingredients very nicely. You can see. Now I rest it for 15 minutes to soak the semolina very well. After 15 minutes I will remove the lid. Now I smash this with my hand and see it is soaked or not. You can see all the ingredients mixed with the semolina very well, and it is mixed very nicely and make a dough. Now you think that your mixture is ready to cook. Now I smash this semolina little more with my hand. If you do this, your cookies will be very soft. Now I take a small lychee from this dough and make a round shape with my hand like this. You can see. Now I press it from the side and make a square shape of these cookies. You can see how to press it from the side. If you want, you can make these cookies in round shape also. I need square shape of this biscuit, so I make this square shape. Our first cookies is ready. Like this I will make all the cookies from this dough. You can see I make all the cookies from that dough. You can see it. Now I take a baking tray and grease it with the oil. You can see I grease all the baking tray very nicely. Now I give all the cookies into it. Now I give 6 cookies into this tray in one time. You can see how to give all the cookies. I give all 6 cookies into it. Now I bake it in OTG or micro oven. I preheat the OTG in 180 degrees Celsius both sides for 20 minutes. Now I preheat this. Now I give all the cookies into it. You can see I give all the cookies into it. I give all the cookies into it. Now I bake it for 180 degree both sides for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you can see our cookies swelled very well and also cooked very nicely. You can see it. It looks very nice. Now I will put it down from the OTG. After putting down all the cookies from the OTG, you can see all the cookies looks very nice. Now I will pick up a cookies from this. You can see how easily it raises from the tray, and it looks very nice from the back side also. Also it looks very nice from the front side. You can see. So our these cookies baked very well. Like this I will bake all the cookies. So friends, our today's semolina's coconut cookies is ready to serve. You can see it baked very well and it looks very nice. You can try it in evening snacks also. And please make it at home and comment me how tasty it is. Please like and share this video with your family and friends. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.